Hi again. Let me show you how to install a package to R. There are many packages for linear or nonlinear econometrics. For R, I'm writing install.package and then write the package name here, be valid. Then to run. Now it's going on installing. Installing a package is not enough to use it. After installing it, you should also call the library, and on any time that you need to use it, you don't need to install again, but every time you should write library and call the package. I had installed this package before, so it will come and run. And now if I write any code under it, I will say it. So you see here that the code is coming from the bwavelet packet. Bye bye.